Who is the best speaker on the Saga Spirit of Adventure? Is it you, David?
No, it is definitely not me. So why are you doing this video, David? Well, I've been asked to take It Easy onto a cruise ship, the Saga Spirit of Adventure. And one of the Take It Easy presentations is how to get found on Google. So I thought, what a better way than to make a video asking the question, who is the best speaker on the Saga Spirit of Adventure? And see if it gets found on Google. So if you did find it by asking that question, who is the best speaker on the Saga Spirit of Adventure, just pop a note in the comments below if you wouldn't mind, and that will help me and help other people as well. And hopefully I will see you on the Saga Spirit of Adventure. Bye for now.